Friends, welcome to Academy Guru YouTube channel. Today I am going to brief about how to register for COVID-19 vaccine. The COVID web portal has got a new 4-digit security code feature which will make the vaccination slot booking experience safe and secure. Here is how you can book an appointment to get yourself vaccinated. Friends, here the COVID web portal has got new 4-digit security code feature which will make the vaccination slot booking experience safe and secure. The feature has been added to the COVID portal after various users had complained of their vaccination certificate getting generated despite them not getting a job. The COVID 4-digit security code will look to reduce mistakenly generated vaccination certificates and also help to prevent scammers from misguiding users. Suppose anyone already who registered on the COVID portal and select a slot for vaccination will get a 4-digit security code that they will have to produce at the vaccination center to verify themselves. Also, various people who had booked their appointment for getting the COVID-19 vaccine through the COVID web portal did not go to get their job on the scheduled day but still received a notification through SMS that a dose had been administered to them. This new feature is set to prevent this problem from occurring. So this 4-digit security code must be kept safe and not to be shared with anyone. On the vaccination day, you will need to produce this code in order to authenticate the entire vaccination process. Friends, now I am going to explain how you can register for the COVID-19 vaccination after the introduction of your 4-digit security code. So here there are 7 steps. The first step, you must visit the COVID web portal. So once you visit this web portal, register your mobile number by entering your contact details. Then you are going to receive the OTP. Enter the OTP. Otherwise, if you have already registered, just sign in. So once you sign into this web portal, that is the COVID web portal, then enter your location, your state and district. If you know the PIN code of the nearest vaccination center, just enter the PIN code. Then you will be able to see all nearby vaccination centers and slots. Here, the red and green button will appear on the screen. Just tap on the green slot of preference, select a time slot and confirm your booking. Then you will be issued a 4-digit security code which you will get as a text message. So this code is a very important one. This must be required to validate your booking on the vaccination day. So once you get vaccinated, again you log into the COVID web portal. If you want, you can download your vaccine certificate. These are the 7 steps. Friends, now you can move to the how you can register in COVID web portal.
What we do here is go back, 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 back.
Thank you for watching our video. Like the video for YouTube algorithm. Please like it and subscribe our YouTube channel name Academy Guru. Thank you once again. Thank you.